In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete email templates in HubSpot. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you will have a cleaner template library. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your template view. To do this, click on the library option and then select templates. If your HubSpot account uses a different setup, you might need to click on CRM first, then Message Templates. This step is crucial because it takes you to the area where all your email templates are stored. You will see a list of templates displayed on your screen. Familiarizing yourself with this view allows for easier management of your templates moving forward. Once you are in the template view, you will see all the templates you have created. For deleting a single template, hover over the template name that you wish to remove. As you do this, an Actions dropdown will appear. Click on the dropdown and you will see the option to delete. This action is important for maintaining an organized workspace. By removing templates you no longer need, you reduce clutter, making it easier to find the templates that are actually useful. If you want to delete multiple templates at once, the process is slightly different but just as easy. Start by checking the boxes next to the templates you wish to remove. You will notice these checkboxes appear next to each template in the list. Once you have selected all the desired templates, look at the top of the table for the Delete button. Click on this button to proceed. Deleting multiple templates at once saves you time and streamlines your workflow. It's efficient and helps you manage your templates more effectively. After clicking Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. It will ask you to confirm that you truly want to delete the selected templates. Take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct items. This step is vital because it prevents accidental deletions. You want to be sure that you are only removing what you no longer need. Once you have confirmed your selection, click on the Delete Templates button. This final action will remove the selected templates from your library. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the templates have been successfully deleted. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your changes have been saved and your template library is now more organized. In summary, cleaning up your email templates in HubSpot is a simple yet effective way to enhance your productivity. By following these steps, you ensure that only the most relevant templates remain, which ultimately saves you time and effort in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your HubSpot templates with confidence.